Hi friends, this is Yue. Today I'd like to share with you some of my thoughts on why do we still need to invest in this market. So first of all, that we still have high inflation rate at this market, and then the mortgage rate is actually lower than the inflation. So last month on June it was 9.1%, and in July the inflation rate is 8.6%. And then the mortgage rate on the investment side, sometimes you can get as good as 5.5%. So it makes me to think that whenever you bought the money from the lender, then you're earning between, the difference from the inflation and the interest rate. The second one is that the interest rate is going to be increasing steadily in the next 2 years. So right now it's 5.5, and the Fed had ever said that they're going to bring the inflation down to 2%. So there is a long way to go. I believe probably at some point that our interest rate can be 8.5. If you also believe that, let's do a small calculation. Let's say we're going to invest a property at $400,000, and then let's put 25% down payment. So the PITI at right now's current market condition, we are going to take the mortgage of $300,000 from the lender, and then the PITI is about $21.50 per month. And then if we're waiting, even though that the market is down 20%, which I don't even think that the market could down for 20% at this price point, then even though let's assume that 400,000 house is going down to 320,000, then we still put 25% down payment, and we're going to assume a loan from the lender of $240,000. So if we are thinking that the mortgage rate is 8.5% at the time, so we are talking about the PITI is going to be increased to $2,300. So because of the interest rate getting up, where the cash flow is still be eaten, and the difference is 150, that is just goes to nowhere. So with this thought, I think if you're trying to find a rental property at this market, I encourage you still do so. Don't forget, if you have any ideas, then feel free to let me know. Subscribe and like, it would really help me out.